If you want to customize always on a display on the Samsung Galaxy A37, then in that case you want to open settings. Then over here in settings we're gonna scroll down a little bit and then you can go to lock screen and AOD. And then in here we can tap on always on display in order to begin the customization. Unfortunately there is not much that you can do in terms of the customization of AOD. The only thing that we have in here all the only things actually are the now bar that can be shown or hidden. If you use a custom image, then of course you can just remove it as well. So yes, you can actually use a custom image. I'm gonna show you in a second how to find it. And also when to show, so you can decide how always on display should be being displayed. So by default, we have to tap on the screen in order to display AOD. But we can also switch to, for example, automatic or always. So whenever you lock the phone, then AOD is going to be displayed right after that. And that is pretty much all in these settings. Now, as for the image, if you want to have a custom image, then in that case, you can, for example, open the themes option in settings. You will be redirected to Galaxy themes. And then here at the bottom, we can go to AODs. And then here you should be able to find many different example images or animations in some cases, which you can either purchase or get for free. Now, usually in order to find just the free content, you can go to the top category, and then here on the left side we can switch from all to free, and then you will see only content that you can get for free without having to pay for anything. So be sure to check that out. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.